Morning children, welcome back to our EVS class. Today we will learn another lesson in EVS, and the name of the lesson is how we move around. In this lesson we will learn about vehicles, that is also known as transportation. We will learn about land transportation, water transport, air transport, and about special vehicles. Okay children, so let's start our class. Lesson number 16, how we move around. Starting point, name the vehicles in the picture. Now if you can see, there is a picture and there are some markings, like some numbers are being given here, like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what do you see in the picture? These are different vehicles, different modes of transport. The first one is an aeroplane. Can you see an aeroplane, children? Yes. The second one is a metro train. Can you see the metro train? Third one is a bus. Fourth one is a truck. Fifth one is a car. And sixth one is a motorbike. So here are different vehicles. Some vehicles move on road, whereas some move in the sky, and there are also water transport, that is boats, ships, yacht, they come in water transport. So we will be learning about different modes of transportation. Okay, so let's start. Learning ladder. Transportation. Now, the movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transportation. That is, when we move around, we go to school, so you might be going by bus or an auto rickshaw, or your daddy or mummy must be dropping you on a bike, isn't it? So it means the movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transportation. We have three main kinds of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. So now let's learn about these different kinds of transport. Land transport. What all are there in land transport, children? Can you name? Car, auto rickshaw, bus, motorbike. Yes, they are all land transport. People use land transport to travel and carry goods from one place to another on land. The vehicles used for land transport are cycles, rickshaws, cars, buses, trucks and motorcycles. These vehicles move on the roads and highways. Some land vehicles like the metro rail and trains run on rail tracks. These tracks are laid on land. Can you see the train and the metro? This is also a train which is known as a metro train, and this is the normal train. Now if you have to go to a nearby shop, how will you go? Will you go on your dada mama's scooty, or will you walk it out, or will you use a bicycle? If we have to go somewhere nearby, we can always use a bicycle. Now children, here quick question, what is public transport? Do you know what is public transport, children? Public transport is the buses that we use, the PMT, the PCMT buses, or the local trains that we use are known as public transport. Water transport. We are going to learn about water transport. People use water transport to travel to far away places and also to carry goods. The vehicles that are used for water transport are ships, yacht, and boats. Now just check the spelling, children. We have learned it in our senior KG. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. This is pronounced as yacht. Air transport. People use air transport to travel to far away places and to transport goods quickly. The vehicles that are used for air transport are aeroplanes and helicopters. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. So air transport is the fastest means of transport. Here is a picture of an aeroplane and an helicopter. Now let's see some special vehicles. Okay, there are some special vehicles also which are used for specific reasons. So let's learn about this special vehicles. There are some vehicles that are used for special purpose. An ambulance is used to take the ill and injured people to the hospital. When somebody is seriously ill and you need to take the person to a hospital, then we usually call an ambulance. The ambulance comes and it takes a person, the ill person or the injured person, to the hospital. Fire engines. Fire engines are used to carry the firefighters and large quantities of water to the place where the fire has broken out. In case there's a fire, then what happens? Whom do we call? We call the fire engine. And what does the fire engine do? The fire engine puts out the fire. It carries a lot of water, it sprays the water, and the water helps to burn out the fire. The fire is put off, and the firefighters save people's life. So what is this, children? This is a fire engine. Usually when the fire engine comes, there's a siren. The siren makes noise which indicates people to move and give way to the fire engine. We must always remember that ambulance and fire engine should be always given way first. Next comes is a garbage truck. Garbage truck. Can you see this? Yes. A garbage truck picks up waste and transports it to the dumping site. All the kachra, all the garbage has been collected by this truck, and then the truck goes and dumps all the garbage in the dumping site. There is a place where all the filth is dumped. Knowing is fun. A hovercraft is a vehicle that can travel on different surfaces like land, water, mud and ice. Can you see a hovercraft? Yes. The hovercraft is a vehicle that can travel on different surfaces like land, water, mud and ice. Words I learned. Dumping site. What is the meaning of dumping site? A place where waste materials are thrown. Far away. The word far away means a long distance away. That means very far. A long distance away. Next word is garbage. What does garbage mean? Waste material that we throw away. Movement. Change of position and place. Vehicle, a thing used to transport people and goods. So children, I will be sending you the notes. I want you all to revise all the lessons as we are coming to an end to our portion. Will be soon finishing. There's one more lesson and we'll be finishing with the EVS portion. And soon after the portion gets over, I will start with revision. So we need to do a lot of revision before our exams, isn't it? So I want you all to learn whatever is given in the classwork. Kindly note, there is no homework given, but for homework you have to learn the classwork. Okay children, that's all for today. Take care. Bye-bye.